Compact power meets everyday convenience in this smart tool designed for fast, effortless repairs at home or work. Best rechargeable screwdriver delivers reliable torque, cordless freedom, quick charging, ergonomic grip, and precise control for assembling furniture and light DIY tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT DWHT6 Screwdriver. The DEWALT DWHT6 screwdriver is built for users who demand professional-grade performance in a compact, rechargeable form. Designed to handle a wide range of assembly and fastening tasks, this screwdriver delivers up to 44 inch-pounds, or 5 Nm of powered torque, with the added advantage of manual finishing torque reaching 124 inch-pounds, or 14 Nm. This dual capability makes it suitable for both fast driving and precise final tightening, reducing the need to switch tools mid-task. With a no-load speed of up to 360 RPM, it ensures efficient screwdriving for furniture assembly, cabinetry, fixtures, and general maintenance work. Powered by an integrated 2-amp battery, the DWHT6 stands out for its endurance, offering up to 680 screws per charge under optimal conditions. This makes it highly practical for extended projects without frequent recharging. The cordless design improves mobility and convenience, allowing users to work freely in tight or awkward spaces. A 6-stage torque adjustment system provides excellent control, enabling the user to match power output precisely to the application and minimize the risk of overdriving or damaging fasteners. Number 2. HOTO 1500 mAh Screwdriver. The HOTO 1500 mAh screwdriver is engineered for users who value design, portability, and smart functionality without sacrificing performance. This electric screwdriver set includes 5 types of ultra-tough S2 steel bits, heat-treated up to 60 HRC, ensuring excellent durability and resistance to wear during repeated use. The magnetic bit tip allows for quick and secure bit changes, streamlining workflow during furniture assembly, electrical repairs, or general DIY projects. A circular, no-shadow LED light automatically activates during operation, providing consistent illumination even in dimly lit environments. Weighing just 0.55 pounds, the HOTO screwdriver is exceptionally lightweight, making it comfortable for prolonged one-handed use. The double-layered grip, crafted from durable plastic and TPE rubber, offers a secure and ergonomic hold that reduces hand fatigue. The included frosted aluminum alloy storage case not only protects the tool and its 12 bits, but also enhances portability with the soft rubber carry handle. Number 3. NEU 2000 mAh Screwdriver. The NEU 2000 mAh screwdriver is designed to deliver flexibility, visibility, and user confidence for everyday household and maintenance tasks. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive customer support, it offers peace of mind alongside reliable performance. The high-capacity 2000 mAh rechargeable battery provides sufficient runtime for common fastening jobs, reducing downtime and ensuring consistent power during use. One of the standout features of this cordless screwdriver is its 3-position pivoting handle, which allows operation in straight, angled, or pistol grip configurations. This adaptability makes it easier to work in confined spaces, overhead areas, or awkward angles where traditional tools struggle. The ergonomic handle design enhances comfort and control, reducing strain during extended use. A 1/4-inch magnetic bit holder enables quick bit changes while securely holding accessories in place, improving efficiency and workflow. Visibility is a strong point thanks to the dual LED lighting system. The front LED work light automatically activates during operation, illuminating the immediate work area, while the rear flashlight can function independently for general. Number 4. Amazon Basics Screwdriver. The Amazon Basic Screwdriver is a practical and straightforward solution for light-duty tasks and everyday DIY projects. Designed with simplicity and usability in mind, this cordless rechargeable screwdriver offers speeds of up to 300 RPM, making it suitable for assembling furniture, installing fixtures, and handling small household repairs. Its compact, slim body allows easy access to tight or hard-to-reach spaces where bulkier tools may be inconvenient. Powered by a built-in 2,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, the screwdriver delivers reliable performance and can be conveniently recharged using the included USB-A to USB-C charging cable. The charging setup is simple and accessible, making it easy to power up between uses. With 3 torque settings and a maximum output of 22 inch-pounds, users can fine-tune power delivery to match specific applications, helping to avoid overdriving screws or damaging materials. The tool features a 1/4 inch collet for quick and easy bit changes, improving efficiency during repetitive tasks. An integrated LED light illuminates the work surface, enhancing visibility in dim areas. Number 5. PACOVY 1500 mAh Screwdriver. The PACOVY 1500 mAh screwdriver is built to handle a wide variety of precision and general fastening tasks with efficiency and comfort. Equipped with a high-speed motor, it delivers consistent torque, suitable for everything from delicate electronics work to standard household repairs. The soft grip trigger allows for precise speed control, giving users confidence when working with sensitive components or small screws. This screwdriver set includes an extensive 36-piece S2 alloy steel bit collection, covering PH, SL, hex, and Torx types. The bits are resistant to wear and corrosion, ensuring long-term durability even with frequent use. This versatility makes the tool well-suited for furniture assembly, appliance repair, model building, toys, eyeglasses, and laptop maintenance. The compact size of the screwdriver allows it to fit easily into toolboxes or drawers, while still offering solid performance. Ergonomics play a key role in the PACOVY design. The contoured handle provides a comfortable grip and helps reduce hand fatigue during extended tasks. A front-mounted metal gear housing contributes to better balance and improved control. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.